are going to be making tom yum, like everybody's been asking for it, right? So let me show you some quick things, give you some tips for my vegan friends, and here we go. First of all, if you're vegan and you don't use fish sauce, take some dried shiitake mushrooms and soak them for at least an hour. I find if you soak them longer, they get a little bit salty. That's going to be the fish sauce, your fish sauce replacement. And then you're going to need some mushrooms. Yep, any kind will do. I got portobello's here. Didn't have my oyster or straw mushrooms, but y'all pick just what you want. And then I'm going to use chicken. Y'all vegans, you guys use tofu, okay? Or don't. Just add more mushrooms. That's what I normally do. And then you need some kaffir lime leaves, because you just got to. Telling you ain't got it. Look at me, I'm dropping stuff. You ain't got it, use the zest of a lime, okay? And some lemongrass. Guys, they have it in powder form. I'll give you the link where you can get it, because it's good stuff. And some maters, and of course, y'all know I just love me some cilantro, some limes, and some chili peppers. Hot? Yeah. Make it as hot as you want. I don't care. And then guess what? Chicken broth. Veggie broth for my vegan friends. Yes, I'm trying to help out my vegan friends because that's how it works. And if you just feel like cheating and you don't want to do this, use that stuff. I'll give you a link to that too. That's how I cheat. Y'all, I had to do a correction. Them mushrooms right there, they are dried shitake mushrooms, not shirataki. Just saying. Guys, see how easy that was to make? Oh my God, like it didn't take long, right? So I like to make my stuff a little bit hotter, and that's that roasted chili sauce. Yeah, vegan friends, you can't have this kind, but I show you how to make a different kind so y'all can have it too. And then all you can do, I hope it's not too hot. Look at that. Oh my bejeebies. Yeah. Yep, look. Pretty much all this stuff in here, right? Dump it in there just like that. Y'all, don't that look good? Oh my Lord, look at that. Look at that. And can I just tell you, yep, because you know I'm just crazy like that, right? So those kaffir lime leaves that you have, y'all hear my dog clicking, he's old. I gotta clip his nails. But those kaffir, you don't eat that. And you don't eat the lemongrass either. Just telling you. Alright? And my vegan friends, y'all just do what you need to do. The mushrooms go at the end, and if you want to use shrimp, guys, don't put the shrimp in at the same time when I did that chicken, okay? Put your shrimp in when you do your mushrooms at the end, because they cook real fast. You know what I'm saying? Yep. And tofu, you treat it like chicken, okay? So let's see. I'm gonna be brave. Oh, good Lord, if that ain't hot. But eat it with rice. I'll put rice in there sometimes, some vermicelli noodles. It's all good. Come back and learn some more.